Mail merge is a very useful feature in Microsoft Word. You can use mail merge to send emails directly out of Word to a list of people. Let's look at how it's done. So the first step that you have would be to start a Word document. So let's start with a blank document, let's say, and you just want to send a greeting message, maybe a New York dear, and we leave this space for the name. Um, okay, that's it. Now in this document, the next thing that you would do is you add the merge fields. So for me, what I'll do is I'll click on mailings and then start mail merge, and from there I pick up email messages. So next you click on select recipients and either type in your a new list, or you can just use something that already exists. So let's see both options. Let's see a new list. If it's a new list, you just type in the title for the person. So let's say Mr. some information, and basically we'll just put in an email address right here. So that is one way of doing it. And then you can save this data source wherever you want. So let's say test list. It's done. Now you can come in and insert the mail merge fields. So I'll come over here and say insert merge fields, and I want to pick in the first name. So you can see the mail merge field over here. If I click on preview, I can see exactly what the name is over there. Next, click on finish and merge and click on send email messages. When you here you get to select the email address from the drop down list, put in a subject, and you're done, and just click OK. So there's the message. Okay, now let's do another case in which instead of using typing a list ourselves, we'll use something from Excel. And here, when I go to select recipients, I'll say use existing list, and I have the list, and I can select the tab where the data is stored. So in this case, it's stored in test. Let's click on that, remove the ones that you already put in, and now we put in the new list. So insert the mail field, mail merge field, and I put a name over here, and it's done. Now what I want to do in this case is to send this mail through another default account, not my default account. And to do that, Outlook, go to account settings, select the account that you want to send from. So let's say I want to send this from my PMI account. So I'll put this as default. Now this still would not, if you do the mail merge, it still won't go through. You have to do one more setting. So go to options and go to mail and click on send messages and say select this option. Always use the default account when composing new messages. So I click on that. Done. Now if I go back to mail merge and send the messages to email messages, there you go. So the messages are gone. Go back, switch back to Outlook. Should start seeing, yeah. So there's the message, and you can see that now this message is coming from the account that I just selected. So you have to make sure those settings. So default account, and also always use the default for sending. If you don't do that, the message will go from the standard account that you're using. Okay. All right. So that's about it.